it's really for me a great honor to share my experience and my information in orthodontics. And we can wait, okay. I want to define the limit. Limit is a point or level behind which something does not or may not extend or pass. And I define in my profession 3 types of limit: anatomical one, the functional, and the professional. The anatomical one is the limit of the bone. Some colleagues think that orthodontics may be small, but to me, we have a great opportunity to change teeth and the alveolar process. And so we want to define what is orthodontics, that we deal with teeth and alveolar process, as I said, and distinguish from orthopedics, that we have skeletal, neuromuscular, and the connective and the epithelial alterations. And we know 3 types of orthopedics: the natural one, that is the orthopedics that we have with the growth, the induced, that is when we treat growing patient, and the surgical one, when we perform procedures, surgical procedures in adult patient. And here you can see that